Hi, welcome to the fourth episode of Unity Game Development for Complete Beginner series. In the previous episode, we had a quick look of gameplay in 2D, creating a 2D sprite image and viewed our sprite in the scene view with the help of sprite renderer component. In this episode, we will learn how we can sort our sprites in Unity. What are sorting layers, how ordered in the layers work in Unity, and why we need to sort our sprites. Sprites in Unity that have sprite renderers attached to them are sorted by several criteria, such as their layer order or their distance from the camera. So have a look at this one sprite in the scene having its position X, Y, and Z to be 0, 0, and 0. If we want this first image to be visible above the second, but it's totally hidden, we cannot see our image. To fix this, we can change the Z position of our sprite and now we can see it. This is one solution but not the best one because sometimes it messes up when we change the camera mode. So we use the other method, that is sorting layers. Let's put it back to 0. For now, the default sorting layer is selected. We can make layers of our own. Let's make another layer. Click on Add Sorting Layers. Click the plus sign. Give name to your layer. We will name it foreground and that's it. Now select your sprite again in the sorting layer. Drop down and we can see new sorting layer with the name foreground. Select this and now you can see both the game objects are sprite and not hiding. But we can achieve this thing by just one sorting layer and this is the default layer. We don't use so many sorting layers but instead we use order in the layers. Let's set the sorting layer back to default for both. Now I'm adding a few more sprites into the hierarchy, making sure they all are positioned at 0, 0, and 0. And sorting layer is selected to be default. Now select each sprite one by one and change the number in order in layers. We can use values lower than 0 as well. Smaller the value, farther the object from camera. Gather the value closer to object to the camera. We need this feature in so many of our projects. I hope you find it easy. That was all for this episode. In the next episode, we will learn about scripting in Unity.